Hi everyone and welcome to a new video here on my channel. Today I'm sharing with you my second project for the Christmas and Summer collaboration which Dawn H Creates has created. It's a bunch of crafty people that's come together and is doing this YouTube/Instagram hop, and we're sharing some Christmas projects that we have created. And for the second collaboration video, I have created a card which is quite similar to the first card I created in my first video, but I used more Christmas kind of classical Christmas colors in this card, and I've used a lot more dice because it's the dice that are in focus for this project, for the second project in the Christmas and Summer collaboration. And this is the project that I have created. It's very different to anything I usually create, but it was so fun, and it was actually fun to create a proper classical Christmas card using that red, those greens and those kind of very vintagey colors, and using a lot of dice as well. And it's just been really fun. So thank you, Dawn, for creating this collaboration. Otherwise I wouldn't have created this card. So the card itself is one of those funny kind of cards. I think it's called a Z fold card. I'm not sure, I might be wrong there, but it's just a different type of card where you can put a gift card or something into it. I'm going to show you how you open it just after I've shown you the front of it, because I've used a lot of texture paste, some gold ink and some gold paste. It's got a little tag there which I've used some dimensional stickles thingy on which says jingle all the way. It's got a cute little letter there in the back behind the rosette, and it's got loads and loads of layers, some stars. I've used some of the die cuts that I absolutely love. These are dies from Tattered Lace, and Tattered Lace is very expensive, but some of their dies are gorgeous, and this is definitely one of the collections that are gorgeous. It's their 3D decoupage collection, Christmas. You've got everything from hyacinths to the cones and, yeah, you know, rosettes, everything very Christmassy. And I used it to cut out these Christmas tree branches that I've then layered underneath this little character that Jonathan, my fiance, thought was, is that hippos? And I was like, no, it's definitely not hippos, because I showed some Magnolia Tilda as well, and he was like, are they like hippos? They haven't got faces. And I was like, I can see where you get the idea though, they might be hippos, but no, they're just little dolls, or characters, I guess. I don't know if they are even dolls, but characters. These are from, this is a character from Hängler and Stängler. That was very an English version, so it's called Hängler och Stängler in Swedish, and it's very similar to the Magnolia stamps, but they are a little bit different. And I colored her with my distress inks, which I absolutely love. I'm addicted to them. It's so fun. I need to show you this. All of my distress ink re-inkers are stored, like my palette, so to say, are stored in this little case where I've got all of my colours, and it looks like that. And then it's just so handy to have this. It's great, and I can fit, I've got some more colours, but I haven't had time to add it to my palette yet. But as time goes, and Tim Holtz is releasing more colours as well, so it's just going to be fun to fill this up and have it very easy to hand, whatever you call it. I can just grab this and it's so smooth and so easy, and I can just start colouring. So that's a great little tip. I bought it off Amazon, and that's how I coloured my little character there. If I want to open the card, I just do like this, remove the little rosette, which I actually This is a white ribbon that I colored with some of my Distress ink pads, and I think it turned out quite good. And then when you open it, it looks like that, and then looks like that on the inside, so you can add like a gift card or something. But this is the card I created, and it was super fun to use my dies, especially these Christmas tattered lace dies. And the collection I used is from, it's called Perfect Christmas, and it's from First Edition Papers. And that was my little project that I created for my second video. So I will speak to you hopefully soon, and don't forget to enter my giveaway that I had in my first video if you want to win some Paris themed goodies, and the winner of that will be drawn on the third video that will be out on August the 8th. So I will see you then, and maybe hopefully earlier than that in another video. But if not, I will see you on the 8th of August, and take care. Bye.